Alright, NT8. Got to do the big job here. We have to move this pile of sand over here and run it through the sifter. This shit is the bomb. Oh, need a little more elevation. There we go. Now let's sift it. Oh well. Gotta fill the hole back up. Gotta get this crap out of the way. Damn kids. There we go. Got that hole filled. And we gotta smooth it all out. Hell yeah. Larry the Lookout, you're jealous as hell, dude. This shit is the bomb.
Shovel, moved it up about 3 notches, or quick notches to do it. Then it kind of got the kind of scoop look at that.
Alright, girls. I guess playtime's over. This was so cool. It really works too, except it didn't sift the sand. Bummer. Alright. Only one thing to do now. Beer break.